My name is Frank Snyder, and I actually came to Parham Doctors Hospital because my wife, Melanie, 8 years prior had surgery with Dr. Irby, successful surgery. She, in fact, is running half marathons, and her experience was so good here that when I was trying to consider who I wanted to have do a very, very important surgery for me, it was really no choice. I was going to go with Dr. Irby. And Dr. Irby diagnosed me with scoliosis, which is curvature of the spine. To say to his credit, he never once said, well, we just need to go ahead and do surgery. We need to try this, we need to try that, we need to try this. Surgery was always the last option. I started developing this lower back pain, and in the last probably 6 to 8 months, it intensified to the point where I couldn't walk 100 yards without bending over and just doubling over in pain. And that's really what got me back in to see Dr. Irby and say, look, what are my options? At the very last point before I decided I've got to do this, I couldn't work. I couldn't travel. I was always in pain. I was always in a bad mood. I mean, my wife never wanted me around. So it was pretty apparent to me that surgery was my only option. I remember to this day looking at Dr. Irby, and point blank, I asked him, can you fix me? And his response was, yeah. And he said it with such confidence that it instilled a lot of confidence in me. He said, I can fix you, but you got to do what I tell you afterwards. That's been the key. And basically what they told me was, walk, 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 walk. And there are times, when I'm walking, when I don't want to be walking, it hurts, and you just have to keep doing it. You just have to force through it. But ultimately, if you do what he tells you to do, it works. And the progress that I've made in the past month is phenomenal. Rehab is walking and just being aware of what your back is telling you. Wearing this brace, which I wear this everywhere I go, and just being aware. It's like Lindsay told me this morning. She said, you're free to travel, but if your back starts getting sore in the middle of the day, and you're pressing, just listen to your body. And I've been really good about that. My wife's a constant reminder of, you've made this huge investment in time and effort in healing your back. Don't blow it. Do what the doctors tell you. And there are times when, I'd like to go out and lift some dumbbells or go to the gym, but I look at this as a small blip on a big time frame. My attitude is just positive. My outlook on life is positive. I feel great. And I'm just so grateful that this has occurred, and it's absolutely changed my life.